Bernardo's and the National Childhood Network have worked together to produce a new publication for early childhood educators, Explore, Play and Learn Through the Arts in Preschool Settings. The best gift we can give to children is to provide them with the time, space, opportunities, materials, freedom and encouragement to investigate and participate and to allow their minds and bodies to develop freely. Arts experiences in preschool stimulate children's curiosity, creativity, self-expression, identity and imagination, and supports their physical and cognitive development, their social and emotional development, and their communication skills. Explore, Play and Learn Through the Arts in Preschool Settings considers a wide range of arts experiences, including painting and drawing, junk art, play with malleable materials, play with light, drama, storytelling, puppetry, nursery rhymes, dance and music. The book looks at the benefits of the arts, what is needed to create an arts-rich environment, and the role of the educator in cultivating the creative process. It also contains a set of principles, underpinned by Ashton and Shielta, in which to frame arts practices in preschool settings. The book also includes activities, recipes, materials and tips that will ensure that preschool children are enabled to explore, experiment and express themselves through arts experiences. This book is available to buy now from Bernardo's website.